everybody, and welcome back to Boneforge Studios. Today we are building a grow tent. Why a grow tent, you ask? Well, I'm getting into 3D printing. I ordered all my stuff, I got everything here, and this is going to be my new studio for my 3D printing. And I figured, let's do it healthy and have a ventilation system. And I did a lot of research online, and I thought that was, the best way I've seen it done. So yeah, join me today on building my grow tent, which is a 4x8 by, I believe it's 70 or 72 inches tall. So yeah, join me on this adventure, and I figured I'd record it and let you guys see how I put this together, and let's get started. Just real quick, everybody, this video is not sponsored. I am clearly just doing this on my own, and the grow tent I got it from, that I ordered it from, is Cool Grows. So Cool Grows is the manufacturer of this grow tent, and I am not sponsored by any means from them, which would be cool, but I'm not. So I just want to get that out there. Moving on. Okay, what comes in this grow tent, you have your actual canvas right here, and this fancy shiny thing right here. I don't know what that's for yet, but we'll find out here shortly. And I got these rods right here. What I like about the system, is they have these little pins. I don't know if I'll be able to catch it, but they have these little pins right here on the end, which they just snap right in. So there's really no hardware. You don't need any tools really to put this together. So you got these, and you got these little pieces here, which they'll basically just slide in, and the little pin pops in there. So yeah, I just thought I'd recap on all my pieces here to show you guys. It's not a whole lot really to actually put it together, and let's do this. you go. I got it all put together and it wasn't too bad. Like I said, I had help with it. So I'll give you a little walk around. So down here, you have a port for ventilation. You got one here. As you can see, just Velcro. So I'll probably be opening this one and sticking it up like this. That way my airflow will come through here. And then you have one up here. And then you got the two big doors. This right here is a door. I like these. That way I can look in while it's printing. And then walk around here. You basically have the same setup on this side. You're going to have a hole there and you're going to have one up top. And you'll have another Velcro one on the bottom. So let me open this. And then this is the inside. I have my table in here. I'll be able to open both sides. Give me 1 second. Sorry about the camera. So with it open, there's plenty of room to work. Come in here. And then they had an extra piece that went on the bottom. It was like an extra like coating that went down this other piece. It's kind of hard to see because it's shiny like all the rest of it. But still, that's there. I like that. And so my printer's going to go here and probably my wash station over to the right or vice versa. And then as you can see right here, you have, here's one of the holes on the side. Even in the back, you got a hole here and you got one up top. And then you also have you have two more doors on the back side of it as you do the front. And then you also have another hole up here and another one there. So yeah, and then you got some down there and you got a couple more Velcro openings down there. So I'll probably have this vent open so the air comes in. Whoa. And then up here, I'm going to have my ventilation system set up on these rails, which is going to be really nice. I'm going to hook it up here and then I'm going to run it out this hole here. Yeah, so this is perfect for what I'm doing. Starting out on, I'm new to this and it's going to be a fun adventure, just learning how to print and just try to be safe about it. But all in all, like I mentioned, this is by Cool Grows. I can get up there. Yep, Cool Grows. So there you have it, folks. My grow tent and my studio area is going to be right here for my 3D printing. This wasn't too bad. So if you're looking to get into, 3D printing, or if you're looking for just a grow tent in general for whatever, look these guys up. Cool Grows. It wasn't too expensive. I think I picked this one up for I think it was like $100, 100 and maybe $20 or something like that. And then the filtration system will be here today. Hello everyone. I got my fan in. It's a Vivison exhaust fan for my grow tent, for my 3D printing setup. And it came in and I'm gonna unbox it. And I am not paid by these guys. By no means, I am not sponsored. This is just clearly out of my pocket for this. So yeah, I'm gonna open it and get her set up. All right, we got This must be the hose that goes outside the tent. This is the actual pump itself. And you got a filter. I don't need this. Get rid of that. So step one, let's open this. This wasn't too bad price-wise. I think I spent, it was on sale for $99 for this one. Got a couple items here. It does have a little controller that it comes with. I'm not sure what these are yet. I think it's to help hang the unit, I believe. Got some hardware. And we got the pump, or the filter, don't need that. Instructions. Probably gonna need that. You never know if they hide stuff in there. Oh, yep, see? Got your cord. There was something in there hidden. Better check both. Okay, we're good there. Undo this. It's actually bigger than I thought it would be, which is nice. Got a little piece of cardboard there, some plastic. All right. It's got a cord on the side. I believe this plugs into that one, which goes to your remote. That goes on the outside of the tent. So there's that. These go with that. Let's see what's all in this box. Oh, okay. So yeah, this is just the ducting. I guess maybe that's how you say it. Ducting. Yeah, that word. Found it. Anyways, but yeah, this is good to have. Gonna need that. We're gonna set that right there. And then the filter. Okay. Some kind of, oh, this probably goes over it. We'll stick that, nothing in there. Get rid of that box. All right, so we got our filter, our turbo little unit, and which is our fan, and our ducting. And then our remote that goes on the outside of the tent. All right, so yeah. So this is what I have at this point. I got the tent all up, ready to go. I got filtration system in, which runs through here, goes out the top, and then it shoots out the top and runs across. And then I got my table in here. I'm working on, it's pretty level right now. So as if you 3D print, you need a pretty level surface. So I'm thinking about putting hang a light or something up here. That way, if I have the doors shut, I can have plenty of light while I'm in there. But I know the Uniformation GK3 Pro that I got, it has a light in it, but I don't know if that's going to be enough to like see everything I'm doing in there. But yeah, so that's where I'm at this point. So it's exciting. I'm ready to get printing and start painting some prints. Well, if you made it this far in the video, I thank you for making it this far in the video. And there you have it. We have the tent up and I got my ventilation system in there. So if you like what you saw today, please give it a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, you know, like I said, I'm new at this. I'm really new at this actually, and I'm learning as I go. So if you have any tips or, you know, anything that you've come across, let me know. Hit me up in the messages. And I want to thank everybody for joining me at Bone Forge Studios. And I know I haven't posted in a little while. It's been a little while, but I had some stuff going on, but I should be back on track. Now that I'm starting this adventure, I should be busy as could be. But I want to thank everybody for joining me today, and I will see you next time.